So hi guys, so welcome to Chart Traders channel 369 for weekly view. So the caption what I mentioned is May month range will break, is going to break in this week. Let's see technically whether it's going to break or break down, break out or break down in coming week. Okay, so and let's also discuss what is that range it's moving. Okay. Before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let me change my screen to Nifty chart. Okay, so what is that range the entire May month was moving? So hope you guys are able to see my Nifty chart. Taking at the 1 hour time frame, so you can see here Nifty is moving at this range. Okay, so the range for last 3 weeks. Okay, from last 3 weeks you can see here Nifty is moving from 16,400 to 15,730. So that's a range which is moving in this May month. Okay, once it break this 16,500 levels, right, then this is the level which I'm expecting. Once it break the 16,500 level, so easily I'm expecting on the, if it is positive sustain above the 16,500, then you can expect 16,830. That's in first resistance for this week. Okay, once it break this 16,500, now the first a very strong resistance is 16,500. Need to break this, then only we can see the higher. Else, if it is negative, and we can expect all this level as from 16,000 is the next support. If it open negative on Monday, our next support is 16,000. If that fails to hold this, again there is a chance it can come back like this. So you can draw here a trend line. Okay, so this, there is a possibility in this way you can come back and reach this again 15,730 levels. So if this support, a very strong support 15,700, if that breaks, then there is a high chance it can touch this 15,500 and 460 levels. So that's the next support. But we need to be very careful of this support 15,500. If that fails, right, then you can see a big correction again in the market. So it should not break this 15,500. Why I mention is in June month in 2021, that was in support which was holding for almost 1.5 month. Then it took a good upward move till 18,000. So that's a strong support for Nifty. It should not break that. So that's about the Nifty analysis. So it need to break this, then we can see a higher. If it fails to hold this 15,500, then the lower side you can expect. So but it is a volatility market in this range. If it break, then only it's good to take a trade. So I am Manju also with me. Hi Manju.
Hi all, hi.
Yeah, so what is your view on Nifty?
Yeah, currently Nifty as you, it gave a strong bounce on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
But if you see global market, it is still negative. It came down almost 80 to 90 points, I guess.
Yeah.
So the range is big, as you said, right? It is consolidating. Only above 16,500 and below level will be 15,700. These are the two levels which we need to watch carefully. any any side breakout, right, it will give a very good movement. So on the upper side it has to break 16,500, only then we can start seeing a trend change in Nifty.
Yeah. So this is what the chart says. Okay, so it's in range, it need to break this. So now it is consolidated zone. This is a consolidating at this zone, so it need to break this. That is what our caption says. Okay, so let's look at the OI data. What's the OI data says here? So if you look here, Nifty OI data, so 16,000 is a support for this week as per the OI data, and the range is 16,300, 16,500, and 16,800 on the resistance side. It should not break this 16,000. If that break, next is 15,800 and 15,500. As per the OI data, it again fails to hold this 15,800. There's a chance it can reach 15,500. So that is the OI data says. So let's look at the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, what the Bank Nifty says. So let's move on to the Bank Nifty technical analysis. Okay, chart analysis. If you look here, even from the May month, Bank Nifty is moving at this 34,700 till 33,000. So this is the range it is moving here. Okay, you can see here it is a range it is moving here. So the resistance for this complete month is at 34,700. So it need to break this, then only we can see a trend change. How we see that 16,500 is a trend change for Nifty. So for Bank Nifty is 34,700 is a trend change. It need to fill this gap, then 35,200, then further upside you can expect till 37,300. But currently it is a negative. So let's see at the lower side, what is that lower side you can expect. So lower side is 33,000. That's a good support. If that fails and break this 32,600, right, then there is a big fall in the market. So this should not break this trend line, and 33,000 or 32,600 levels it should not break, else it is a good big fall in the market in bank Nifty. So that is what the chart says. So negative the support is 33,000 for this week. On the higher side, the resistance is 34,700. That is what I am expecting. If that breaks, then we can expect good upward move till 35, 36, 35, 900. Okay, so that's the next level which you can expect. So, so what's your view on Bank Nifty, Manju? What do you say?
Uh, from my side, like almost the level remains the same,
Okay.
34,700 on the higher side and lower side 33K.
So that's the range that need to break. Okay, we
Yes.
need to closely watch that level. Okay, let's look at the
Yes.
OI data. What the OI data says. So you can see here 34,000, a very strong support here, and it should not break this. Okay, so then we can see all this 35,000, 36,000 on the Bank Nifty. If this break, next is 33,000 for this week. Okay, so that's about the OI data. So let's look at the training program, guys. If you are really interested to join our training program, you can contact me, Hemant at 369. This is a topic which we are going to cover. Let's look at the stock for Monday. Infosys above 1468. You need to watch. Once it break this, then the next resistance is 1481. And then if that break, there is a chance it can fill this gap on 1500 levels. So that's about the Infosys. Next is Prestige Estate. So above 445. Once it start opening positive, there is a chance it can hit this resistance 453. So that's the next resistance for Prestige Estate. Next is Star above 310. So that was in last high, and again it is at that resistance. If that open positive and break this, then we can expect 318 is the next resistance. Next is Ajanta Pharma above 1745. Once it break this, 1780 is the next resistance. So that's about the stock. Let me check if we have any queries or no queries, and all this chart and this levels will be shared in our Telegram channel at Chart Traders at 369. Okay. So and thanks Manju for joining with me, and we'll see you on the next video. Happy trading and happy weekend. Take care, guys.
Thank you.
See you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.